Good morning, everybody. I am Santosh Jha of the Angel School, Compulsory Math. I am going to teach compulsory math on online class. For this purpose, help our teachers team. So, I want to give special thanks to all teachers and Angel's family. Now I am going to teach class 10 compulsory math, geometry, some chapter geometry, some theorem. Theorem number 1. Statement is the diagonal of parallelogram bisect it into two equal parts. This is the statement of theorem. Theorem 1. Statement is the diagonal of parallelogram bisect it into two equal parts. For this purpose, first we should construct diagram. The diagram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. AC is a diagonal. Then write given. The given topic is in the adjoining figure. ABCD in the adjoining figure ABCD is a parallelogram in which AC is a diagonal. Then we should prove triangle ABC equal to triangle ACD 1/2 ABC. In this way, to prove certain theorem, first of all, draw figure. After that, write given. The given is in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which AC is diagonal. This is the statement of given. After that, to prove triangle ABC or triangle ACD, both are half of parallelogram ABC. Then proof. proof in this way. Make a table and after that write the proof. The first statement, triangle ABC in triangle ABC and triangle ACD. One number AB is equal to CD. In the right region, the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Left side, right statement, and the right side, right region. The left side, AB is equal to CD. It is side. The region, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. It means AB is equal to CD. In this figure, AB is opposite of CD. Therefore, opposite side of parallelogram are equal. Then second statement, AD is equal to BC. It is also side. AD is equal to BC, it is also a side. And the same region in this type, right this type, same region, opposite side of parallelogram are equal, same region. And third statement, AC equal to AC. Third statement, AC is equal to AC. Yeah, AC equal to CA. It is also side. In third statement, in ABC and ACD, in both triangles, AC is common side. In both triangles, AC is common side. In ABC also, in ACD also. Therefore, AC is equal to AC. It is side, common side of triangles. In this way, triangle ABC congruent to triangle AC. In this way, triangle ABC congruent to ACD and by SSS exam means all three sides are equal to corresponding triangle. First side of triangle ABC is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD, and AC also come. All three sides are equal to each other, corresponding triangle. Then triangle ABC congruent to triangle ACD. By SSS exam, meaning all three sides are equal. If two triangles are equal, congruent, then their area also equal. Congruent means if two triangles are equal, then their corresponding area equal, corresponding sides equal, corresponding angle equal. All are equal to each other. The triangle ABC equal to triangle AC. Yani area of triangle ABC also equal to triangle AC because the triangle are congruent. Area of triangle ABC equal to ACD since triangle ABC congruent triangle ACD. If two triangles are congruent, then their area also equal. Now, triangle ABC plus AC. Triangle ABC plus triangle ACD equal to यानी कि whole parallelogram divided into two triangles by side A and AC. AC divided into two equal parts. Therefore, triangle ABC plus triangle AC, sum of these two parts is equal to whole parallel. This type of region is whole part by whole part angle. This is known as whole part angle. Now, two times ABC equal to now ACD is equal to ABC. ACD is equal to ABC. So substituting ABC in place of ACD, then two times ABC is equal to ABC. From statement 3 and from statement 3 and 2 times triangle ABC is equal to ABC. In this way, triangle ABC is half of 1/2 ABC from 5. Now, triangle ABC is equal to ACD. Therefore, now triangle ABC is half of ABCD, but in statement 3, ABC also equal to ACD. ABC also equal to ACD. Therefore, if ABC is half of ABCD, then ACD is also half of ABCD. In this way, the statement 1, theorem 1 is proved. Now, after that, I am going to next theorem. First of all the students read and write. Then in second. Okay, thanks.